Tropical Storm Debby has formed in the southern Gulf of Mexico. This is the fourth named storm of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. You can see right now some of these showers and thunderstorms exploding around the center of Debby, which is a sign of strengthening. The center right now is just off the coast of Cuba, and it's going to continue to push off towards the north and the east, heading towards the Big Bend. Now, the water temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico are very warm in the mid to upper 80s, and that provides a lot of energy for these storms to grow. And there's also very little wind shear. When there's a lot of wind shear that interrupts these storm systems, it really helps to weaken them. So it's a good thing when there is wind shear. But as we take a look at the Gulf of Mexico, there's not much in the area. There's some down towards the south, just to the south of Cuba in the Caribbean Sea. But here in the Gulf of Mexico, it is just free sailing for Debby to really grow as strong as it can for the little time it has over the warm waters. Here's the track as of the 5 o'clock advisory. It's going to continue to strengthen and move off towards the north and the northeast towards the Big Bend. Friday or Sunday afternoon, about 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds, making landfall as a Category 1 hurricane, max sustained winds at about 75 miles per hour. After that, in the beginning of the week, it's looking like it will meander off the coast of South Carolina for a day or two and then make landfall again near Charleston, South Carolina, where it could bring a lot of rain for that area. There are tropical storm warnings in effect from the Key West all the way up to Tampa. There is a hurricane warning in the Big Bend. Now, let's take a look at some of the models. Here's the American GFS model. Continues to strengthen it as it heads towards the Big Bend. It makes landfall Monday morning as a Category 1 hurricane. It's going to head towards the southern portions of Georgia, northern portions of Florida, bringing them a lot of rain, and then move off the coast once again off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. Meander there for a day or two, and it looks like to make landfall once again early Thursday morning, bringing the Carolinas and the Outer Banks some rain. And after that, it could push off towards the Hampton Roads area, bringing us some rain. But again, that is just about a week away, so there's a lot of time to pay attention and watch what actually happens. Here's the European model, another very reliable model. Again, they're in very good agreement. Takes it into the Big Bend of Florida. It meanders off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina, makes landfall once again Thursday morning. After that, moving up towards North Carolina, over towards the Hampton Roads area, could bring us a good amount of rain, but it will be over the land for a good period of time, so it will help weaken the system. But again, something to watch for the next couple of days. Right now, we're not close to the peak of hurricane season. Right now, it's August 3rd, but September 10th is the peak of hurricane season, so we still have plenty of time to see additional storms. So it's just a reminder to continue to stay weather aware and hurricane prepared as we go through the rest of the season.